Good, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the week of November 4th through November 10th. Your online assignments today that you guys have this week are to read the 1.3.8 STEMscopedia and complete the questions and notes that go along with it. There is a link in Schoology for you to click on. When you're in class this week, we will be doing another lab. It is the signs of a chemical reaction, and then we will work on the CER for the signs of the chemical reaction lab. We take a look at Schoology this week. Here is your Schoology page. I will be going over, click on the show more down here. I will be going over some quiz makeups and retake information. Before I go down there, up here again is your assignment, your online assignment, 1.3.8 STEMscopedia and notes. And I'm saying it may, if you're a slow reader, have a hard time concentrating, take you maybe up to 60 minutes. If you click on this right here, and then you end up opening up your STEMscopedia notes, you can see that we went ahead and took portions of the STEMscopedia again. You guys said that you liked that. And there are a couple of notes here to fill in, a little bit more to read, a couple more blanks to fill in. We're all talking about the signs of a chemical reaction. And so we are looking at just a couple other blanks on here. So we will be going over, let me get down here to the bottom of this. So we will be going over these in class on the following week. So you need to make sure that you have read these. If you have any questions, you can always insert a comment over here if you need some kind of help. And so anyway, we'll get back to Schoology. Here, the signs of a chemical reaction lab and the CER, like I said, are something that we're going to do in class. If you have extra time, you can click on the Quizlet down here. It will help you study all of the vocab for this unit to get ready for the test. If you have not taken your pre-quiz, or if you have not taken your post-quiz from the last unit, you can click on these up here. I've probably sent you an email if you were absent and did not take your post-quiz. So they may have a password on them, may or may not. And please make sure that you get this pre-quiz taken as soon as possible because the data is really, it's pre-quiz, so I'm supposed to get the information before you start working on the actual unit, okay? If you have any questions, you can let me know, and I hope that you have a good week.